It's a 4,155-page bill spending $1.7 trillion that was given to us in the middle of the night at 1:30 in the morning. The point of order was waived, as it always has been, by the Senate. It has become far too easy for Congress to escape its own rules designed to prevent reckless spending. There hasn't been enough time for a single person to have read this entire bill. The bill in process ignores soaring inflation, rising interest rates, and our ballooning debt of $31 trillion. Enough is enough. I now ask my colleagues to support my amendment to raise the threshold to waive a budget point of order from 3/5 to 2/3.
Madam President.
The senator from Vermont.
Madam President, I rise in strong opposition to Senator Paul's amendment. This amendment would require 67 senators to waive a budget point of order instead of 60. In other words, if this amendment were passed, a tiny minority of U.S. senators could prevent action on a national health care crisis, an economic crisis, or a natural disaster. That would put the people of this country, in my view, in a very dangerous position. I urge my colleagues to vote no on the Paul amendment.
Good evening, friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. Friends, I have good news to share with you today. So more and more states have finally decided to approve more financial assistance for low-income households. States such as Tennessee and Georgia have approved bonus payments for some of their residents. And these payments may be worth as much as $500, but there are stricter requirements that need to be met in order to qualify. So dear friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to hear about all of these details. Also, I will be giving away a Walmart gift card every day this month. Please make sure you enter these daily giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos. And please comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning the daily giveaways. Friends, we can finally expect more stimulus to be sent out. The Tennessee Department of Human Services is providing extra support for families to receive extra cash assistance in the amount of $500. The Tennessee Department of Human Services will provide this financial assistance through its Families First program. All households that are part of the program will receive a one-time additional payment of $500 on their existing electronic benefits transfer cards. The one-time payments have already begun being sent out to eligible families. This one-time boost in financial assistance is intended to help Families First participants overcome these temporary hurdles. Commissioner Clarence Carter told reporters, "We serve some of the most vulnerable families and children through the Families First program and recognize the challenges they are facing. Keeping up with the demands of the holiday season can introduce additional hurdles in caring for children." Residents of the state of Minnesota could also soon receive a new stimulus check thanks to the election results last month, where Democrats won both the House and the Senate. Now that Democrats fully control the state legislature, it is very possible that $1,000 stimulus checks from Minnesota could be a reality. During the 2022 midterm election last month, Minnesota's Democratic Farm Labor Party retained its majority in the Minnesota House of Representatives and also won a majority in the Senate. Governor Tim Walz was able to win re-election. One big advantage of a single party controlling all parts of the state legislature is that it makes it easier to approve proposals, since the opposing party does not have enough votes to counter the vote. Many analysts believe that the latest election results could lead to $1,000 stimulus checks from the state of Minnesota. There are two reasons why Democrats may go ahead with this stimulus check. First, Minnesota is still sitting on top of a $9 billion surplus. Thanks to higher tax collection, the state budget office estimated a $9 billion surplus back in March. Second, Governor Tim Walz, during his campaign trail speeches, reminded voters of his plan to use the surplus money to send up to $1,000 stimulus checks to individuals and then up to $2,000 to couples. Governor Walz first proposed sending stimulus checks last year, when the 2022 legislature adjourned without reaching a consensus on how to spend the budget surplus. My friends, the key word for this video is custard pie. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is custard pie, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you're also subscribed to my channel. Remember, friends, that the more videos you watch and then leave a comment on, the greater your chances of winning these daily giveaways. Government employees in Gwinnett County, Georgia, can expect a sizable direct payment next week. This comes after officials decided to offer a bonus Christmas check. The county of Gwinnett is looking to retain more workers as they have struggled when it comes to having enough first responders, utility workers, and other positions. The county is looking to retain more workers as they have struggled when it comes to having enough first responders and utility workers. Board of Commissioners Chairman Nicole Henriksen told reporters this week, Gwinnett residents deserve sustainable, high-quality county government services, and those are made possible by a strong, reliable workforce. The payments will vary depending on the position. Full-time employees are set to receive a total of $1,500, while part-time workers will receive $750. Workers should receive their payments starting this week. Gwinnett County School District employees are also set to receive a bonus of $1,000 during this month, with as many as 21,500 employees eligible for this bonus. This comes after the school district gave out bonuses of $700 last year to full-time employees. So Georgia is not the only state to hand out Christmas bonuses, with the state of Maryland also providing $500 payments to municipal employees. A school district in Arkansas is handing out holiday payments to employees as well. Eligible teachers in Arkansas will receive a total of $5,000, with $2,500 available to support staff. All employees under the district's operating fund will receive a $500 bonus. Please comment below if your state is sending out bonus checks. Well, my marvelous and magnificent dearest friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Thursday evening. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here this holiday season. I want you all to know that I sincerely appreciate every single one of you who are joining me daily. Remember, friends, I'll be announcing a winner for the Walmart gift card giveaway in a video later today. So please make sure that you do stay tuned for that video and comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed day.